Meaning of impressed.
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 Impressed. The word impressed refers to being deeply affected or influenced by something or someone. It can also mean having a favorable impression or opinion of a person or thing. When someone is impressed, it indicates a sense of admiration or respect for the qualities or actions of the person or thing. This feeling can be generated by a variety of factors such as talent, skill, achievement, kindness, or generosity. Overall, being impressed suggests a high level of satisfaction and appreciation towards the subject in question.